So today I'm going to show you a really amazing voicings exercise. When you're practicing any specific chord or voicing, what you can do is use this exercise to basically just completely master it, be able to use it for any melody, any reharm, really whatever you want to do. I also want to say a quick shout out to my teacher growing up, Rick Montalbano, who taught me so much of what I know in general, but he showed me this exercise and it helped me learn a lot of voicings and get them under my fingers. Okay, let's jump into how this exercise actually works. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually take the top note of the voicing, okay? And we're gonna essentially make that top note the melody. So we're intervallically moving the voicing along with a melody. Let's just pick a random song, it doesn't really matter. I like to use one that's semi-chromatic just to make it more challenging. Let's try Prelude to a Kiss. So here's the melody, right? And here's our voicing. Okay, so the melody becomes the top note of the voicing. So the cool thing about this exercise is it helps us really learn to move the voicing around, but it also kind of sounds like this awesome reharmonization that we've done of the song. So you actually get two benefits from doing it. One, you really get the voicing under your fingers, being able to move it around the keyboard. But two, you also get to reharmonize an entire melody and hear how cool it sounds just doing that with a single chord. Here it is one more time. Now, if you want to make it even more challenging, this is the next step. Instead of having the top note of the voicing be the melody, we actually have a different note in the voicing be the melody. So what if instead we do this? 9 of the voicing is the melody. So the melody is this, it's still the D, but now it's the 9 in the voicing. So in this case, it becomes a C dominant 7 sharp 11. So the melody stayed the same, it was still, but it served as the 9 in the voicing. So this is pretty tricky. If you practice this for every voicing you learn, you are going to really get those voicings in your ear and under your fingers, and you'll be able to use them for reharms, and you're gonna sound awesome. Now, if you really wanna get your voicing fundamentals down, I put together a really awesome voicings course with jazz lesson videos and Chad Lefkowitz Brown. You can check it out at jazzlessonvideos.com/PDF packages. I'll make sure to put the link in the description of the video. The course comes with 3 different types of voicings. You're gonna get rootless voicings, you're gonna get solo piano voicings, and then also single hand voicings, which you can also use as left hand comping voicings. And those are over 20 progressions in all keys. So just by learning those 20 progressions, you are going to have an insane, awesome, robust voicing arsenal under your fingers. Again, link is in the description if you're interested in checking that out. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot and got a really great practice exercise out of this video. Be sure to click subscribe and click the little bell to turn on notifications because I'm going to have lots more content just like this coming your way.